Regeneration procedure. DPF warning lamp when regen lamp when diesel particulate filter is clogged alert appears in cluster when more than a certain amount of soot gets deposited in the exhausted system. In such condition, perform DPF drive regeneration or DPF park regeneration. DPF drive regeneration. Take the vehicle on the highway and drive for 20 to 30 minutes at speed, more than 60 km per hour, until the REGEN telltale turns off. Notice: DPF park regeneration. Caution: DPF park regeneration is only possible when the REGEN telltale is on in the instrument cluster. Park regeneration process may not start if check engine lamp or OBD lamp are on in the cluster. Take vehicle to Mahindra authorized dealer for assistance. Warning: do not press brake, clutch, accelerator pedal or do not turn ignition off while regeneration is happening, as this may cancel the process. Park the vehicle safely in well-ventilated open space. Shift the gear lever to neutral with the engine running condition and apply the parking brake. Through instrument cluster, enter into driver info menu, navigate to REGEN screen. REGEN message will be in display. Long press enter button to start the DPF park regeneration, and REGEN requested message will be on display. Once the regeneration starts, REGEN started message will appear on the cluster. Engine idle speed will increase, indicating regeneration in progress. REGEN lamp will be blinking while parking regeneration is happening. The park regeneration process can take up to 30 minutes to complete. Once completed, REGEN completed message will be displayed. DPF warning lamp when REGEN lamp in the instrument cluster will turn off, and the engine's idle speed will return to normal.